Okay, Ron, this video is for you. It's going to be a bunch of them, but I pulled the neck off this guitar and I wanted you to take a look at it. Pretty beat up. So, it doesn't say, here's the neck. I don't know what that means. No other really markings on it. The holes look kind of asymmetric. I don't know if this neck was just slapped on or not, and I don't know what all those other holes mean. The larger 4 holes are what was bolted in, and screws did not look like they had any kind of fine machine on them or anything like that. So I'm not really sure. Let me get you a little look at that if you can. So anyway, I'll post more. I'm just barely starting to tear it down here, so more to come.